Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is on how to clear the cache on the iPhone. Is your iPhone running slow, running out of storage? Clearing the cache on your iPhone could help. There are a number of ways to improve your iPhone's performance, but clearing its cache data is a quick and easy way to give it a jolt and boost. You don't need to clear your iPhone's cache every single day, but it's probably a good idea to do it every so often so that the data doesn't bog down performance. If your iPhone is running poorly or you just want to quickly clean up its internal storage without deleting photos and videos, here's how to clean the cache on the iPhone. So how to clear the cache on the iPhone. If you're a Safari user, you'll want to get rid of cookies and other data. If you use Safari on other devices, this will also clear the data on those if you're logged into the same iCloud account. So number 1, head into your Settings app. Number 2, scroll down to Safari. Number 3, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Number 4, a window will pop up and you'll want to tap on Clear Data, History, and Data. As Apple notes, this will remove your browsing history, cookies, and other browsing data. It will not, however, clear autofill information. If you aren't a Safari user, you may not have much data to clear out. In that case, you'll want to check on your third-party applications. I also recommend and wanted to add that some apps won't give you a clear and obvious way to clear the cache. In that case, I recommend taking a look at your iPhone storage. And here's how you do that. Number 1, head into the Settings app. Number 2, go to General. And number 3, tap iPhone Storage. This section will give you an overview of your apps and how much space they're hoarding. If you scroll down, you can see which apps are taking up the most space. In a lot of cases, it's probably the Messages app. If you tap on an app, iOS will give you a readout and provide you with a few options to help manage storage. This is useful if you notice an app you are rarely using taking up a ton of space, or an app you use freely taking up more space than you'd prefer. In some applications, you'll notice 2 options: offload an app and delete app. If you offload an app, it will be unloaded from your iPhone, but you'll retain all of the data, which is practical if you think you might use the app in the future. All of your data will be restored if you reinstall the app. Deleting the apps, it does what it says. It removes the app from your iPhone and it also deletes all of your data. If you never use an application and it's taking up a bunch of storage, think about deleting it. So that's my video on how to clear the cache on the iPhone. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until the next time, I'm out.